Everyone, Happy Lunar New Year! Today, I want to show you how to make Tteokguk in a very easy way. I'll be using the products such as the Korean broth, premade, the Mandu, and the rice cake. Using all those products, you can instantly make a Tteokguk within 20 minutes. Let me show it from now. Soak the rice cakes in water for 15 minutes. Most rice cakes are frozen, so soaking helps thaw them and makes them softer. Mince 1 clove of garlic. I'm making 2 servings today. Measure about 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Slice the green onion to measure 2 tablespoons. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and mix well. To make homemade soup, I'll use frozen dumplings and galbi soup, Korean beef rib soup, as the broth base. Try to buy smaller dumplings as they cook faster and pair better with rice cakes. These can be found at Asian grocery stores or online. In a medium-sized pot, place a strainer and pour in the galbi soup. Strain out any excess fat and bones. Don't throw the meat away because you'll need the meat for garnish. Add 1 cup of water to the pot along with the minced garlic and heat the pot. Throw the dumplings and bring them to a boil. Once the dumplings float in the broth, add the drained rice cake slices and stir gently. Continue stirring to prevent the rice cakes from sticking together. Season the broth with soup soy sauce and salt. Then let it boil for about 5 minutes or until the rice cakes become soft. Then slowly pour the egg wash into the soup in a circular motion, letting it drip. Avoid stirring until the egg has coagulated and firmed up, as stirring too soon can make the broth cloudy. Finally, add the sliced green onion and sprinkle ground black pepper over the soup. Done! Ladle the soup into a bowl and top with the meat from the galbi soup package. The Tteokguk is ready. Let me taste it. Okay. Make sure the rice cake is fully cooked, soft. Mandu. So yummy. Nobody's gonna know that you use the pre-made product. It tastes really good. Just add a few touches, a few things, such as seasoning and a good plating. Again, Happy New Year!